Hi, I'm Ketki Narayan Kulkarni and you're watching me on metromatinee.com. I was working with Film and Television Institute with their projects like short films and playbacks. So one of a friend I have worked in his short film and he has suggested me to send my portfolio to Meera Unnikrishnan. So I sent it long back, like eight months ago. And suddenly I got a call from her that tomorrow you have to fly to Chennai. This is the director, Jairaj Nair. Don't doubt on it, just go for it. And I was like, okay, but it's Malayalam, I don't know it. She said, I'll just send you the link, a Wikipedia link of the director. And then I checked and I saw the national award winning director and I got so scared about it. Then I thought, okay, I'll watch all the films in the night and go, and then I'll catch the next day morning flight. Met Jairaj sir. I was very scared meeting new people. In Veeram, I'm playing Kunnunuli's character. So Kunnunuli is Kuttimani's sister and the king's daughter, younger daughter. The entire film is about war, lust and that thing. But Kunnunuli has her own small space in that entire fight and wars. She has very nice connection with her sister, and it's they're both bond between two sisters, love, care. So that's a nice innocent track in the film. As I told you, I got to know about it at the very last moment, but then there was a translator, Shiny. She helped me a lot about the distinct and everything. And apart from that, I thought that character is so innocent amongst everyone on the stage or in that scene. So I thought that's how I am in my life. Yeah, Hindi and English I was not having problems, but with Malayalam also, because of Marathi we have certain words which are not which are derived from Sanskrit but which are not in Hindi, right? So that was easy for me to speak in Malayalam language. Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute, and I was watching him since childhood, he's so cute, he's so nice, and today I'm working with him and it's an opportunity, and I think it works like a secret, when you think about something so often, it becomes true. There was one scene in which I had to cry, okay? But I had to cry with, very loudly, and I have lost something which is very near and dear to me, with that feeling I had to do that. And that shot was in Ellora. So Jairaj sir said, okay, you have to do this and action. And then I ran and I was crying, and it was so loud that people thought that I'm actually crying there, and everyone got so scared. Like travelers were also there, like tourists were also there. So they all came running and looking at me that what exactly happened to this girl during the shoot. I was very scared, as I told you, right? But when I did my scene, he appreciated it the way I'm doing it, and he added his, about the language, about the lip sync, they can sync it while dubbing. So he motivated me a lot, and I got really inspired by him, and I'm willing to work with him on his next films. Like as an assistant also I can work, I think. Okay, I had one dialogue. I don't know whether I'm saying it correctly or not, so don't hit me, okay, if I say it wrong. I know it's going to be wrong, but I just remember that dialogue. Oi very nanda kandolim ippam kekam. I don't know, it's all. and one dialogue I remember. When the check hour comes, right? Elantalar Chandu very nanda. Varananda. Yeah.
He's coming.
He's coming, yeah. I like fish and the greenery, and people here are so humble and so nice to talk, and everyone, like any random person I meet, I feel some connect with them, like they are so caring.